CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association haka arpu atri wiyayong araja arpuar kalapan bena bahkan sepelong ya kalimpung ilakai Meghalaya Games nadu ka Tarik Haduh ka Tarik Jymmang araja arpuar kani kan dairu ka kenti ka pasal ka bawan Pynlong ya kani ka jingi ilakai haka ni ka jela Meghalaya haka bawan ni shimenta Haduh araja rius pa nyongun haki khat kan dai li ja jingi ilakai per ki bakan thop ya ka jingi kop set khnam marathon badminton, basketball, billiards, bat snooker, yakura, nyak cycle, football, tiet golf, gymnastic, judo, karate, siat sulai, yakob jingi, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, weightlifting, bat wushu. Ya kini jingi lakai per an sepelong hasai STC Shillong, Hanehu Indoor Hall Shillong, Hanegrim Shillong, ha Shillong Club, ha Maulai Mauro Indoor Hall, ha Malki, ha Golfling, ha Laban Indoor Hall, ha Assam Regimental Center, ha Crinoline Swimming Pool, ha Nongthamai Indoor Hall, but ha Madan First Ground, Jongka Shillong Sports Association.
We will be having the fourth Meghalaya Games 2022 from the 2nd to 7th of May 2022 here in Shillong, where we shall be having about 19 disciplines in this Meghalaya Games and to be played in different venues within Shillong city. We have arranged all the venues and also the disciplines. And to give more details of what we are going to do and which will be held where, we are just circulating those papers to you. Everything is there. So I would request that you better go through these papers because we have given how many athletes will be there, coaches, managers, everything, the disciplines, and then the members of the organizing committee. And you will find the different committees that we are having, the different disciplines.
So, regarding the fourth Meghalaya Game, this is a very big mega event. We have included more than 5 new disciplines to the last done in 14. We have 2677 athletes as registered by the different state association, 296 coaches and managers, 358 technical officials, 380 volunteers, and the budget given to us by the government is 2.23 crores. So this is the Jymmang, the organizing committee. Chief Patron is our Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sarma. Chairman is Bante Dalga, Co-Chairman John Kashiye, Co-Chairman Dr. Vijay IS, Commissioner of Sports, members WM Booth, MCS, SOSTIS, Under Secretary, and BCA Chairman Engineer, and organizing myself, Final Bayat, Treasurer Sam Wajri. So for this we have done all organizing as usually we have been done, but this year will be quite tough because the guy accommodation you have seen JL Stadium is under construction. So there's a bit of problem, but we are trying to adjust because since we have to conduct, we have no other place. So the accommodation, food and all will be done in the JL Stadium itself. We are barricading those beaches and all. So we try our level best to do whatever possible to make this a success.
As we have done in the last Meghalaya Games 2019-20, we will be doing the same thing. We are going to shift, right? So the room, we will be having a room there in the cafeteria. Okay. So as we did last time, we had in the report, we will be having now in the cafeteria. So we will give all the reports in the evening. The publicity committee shall give all the reports, the results of the different disciplines, different competitions will be given by the publicity committee in the evening after completion of all the competitions every day. Those of you who would like to visit, please visit us at the publicity committee in the conference room there in the cafeteria in the complex.
Nakaliang mencoba masuk ngi ai kublai ya ka sarkar ya Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sarma, Honorable Sports Minister Bante Lindo, Pak sarkar baki lapli ya kan digalat keleti ya ki samla ban shimbata haka Meghalaya Games ya kublai bak sarkar kala penbena bahkan long ke Meghalaya Games man kasna ketika cikir jungi ban punu berpunya ni kam kani ka competition kan sa island ikhna jungi bikin ya pekre iladi ki bom poi shakathong betau snam ko kila la ban perkat ngasum snam na sobat oba ka first Meghalaya Games kala long how arjari way nado arpulai Tarik ado arpupra Tarik April arjari way dan dengan padio ki record skat mentuli ki disiplin ki long hakta ko gida ya sang ruat kita ki information ka second Meghalaya Games ka baar ka long how arja sa nado nyau Tarik December hadu khatpra December house nam arjar sa but hang tu ki long khandai tili disiplin sport disiplin deka Meghalaya Games ka balai ka dei ka balami mo ni hab ai kublai biang itu soka konrat ke sangma chief minister or sports minister ki bala menjur ya ka jing kepa nagalan dan mesui ban pen KM ya ka Meghalaya Games ka bala de kun man ka Arsenal ba kan long biang hadin khat nrus how to snam arja khat khandai arpo ni Pynlong ka third Meghalaya Games ka Meghalaya Games ka bala de mata ka digas Meghalaya Games ka basau de haka Meghalaya Games ka balai khandai arpo ni Pynlong khat sau tu ligi disiplin de long ko strat ba ki asian ki la shim ki jikit kli wan chakmat ni penshuru ki asian but mata ki bi adu khandai ko ni chairman juga publicity committee de so wana ai karpa mok kadika ka raj sarkar ka bansa pentla ita durjuk sport sa kajala ni nalor kata bangi la ban ni PUE baka ka jepakre stadium Meghalaya shat de so ban ong karpa ya bro ki na hab ai kublai ki kmi pa ki bola sya ki kun samla juki ban rung shakamat shaka jireka namar ni UI menta khambon ki samla ki wan manishin menta ka adu ba nakajing project jumi ya ka estimate kila nang bon chisu kina to wan district de na ki district kila bon ki bola ki ban kwa ban wan chini de let's say ka di ka lashim slam ka let's say ngisa pek global nang to ban adjust